Hey, what's up? I'm here with John in the Metra booth, and we are looking at a pretty cool product. So if you've got a newer Harley Davidson and you got that radio that has the screen and a lot of things are built in, what happens is if you add an amplifier to that, then it has a curve like this that makes it sound real funky. So they've got two different products here that will cure that and also do a little more. So John, go ahead and take over.
Right, so this is our saddle tramp DSP product. You've got your plug and play T harness. This is going to plug in behind the factory radio. It's going to allow you to add on aftermarket amplifiers, right? So like he was saying, those things come with a set EQ curve on there. So we're going to go ahead and unlock that with our piece.
So the reason why they do that is so that guys aren't blowing out speakers, correct?
Right.
Right, okay.
Yeah. So
Because you're on your bike and it's loud and they can't hear it, so they turn it up. So they pull these frequencies down so that it prevents the speakers from blowing. But when it does that, you're losing a lot of sound, and if you amplify it, it sounds really distorted, correct?
Right. We've got a 10-channel processor with 31 band EQ. We've got the DSP Lite over here. This is a 6-channel with 15 bands.
So this is a 10-channel?
10 channels.
So that's a lot. I mean,
a lot of speakers.
You're gonna have to put a
bike.
ton of speakers on a bike, on a bike to utilize all 10 channels. But if you don't need the 10 channels, then they do have a 6-channel with a 15 band, which is really good as well.
Yeah. Absolutely. So another cool feature is this actually connects to your phone through an app. And in that app, you can do all the tuning features. It'll unlock it'll unlock and tune the bike as well. So it's a good part for a lot of our installers and doing the custom applications.
Nice, nice. So okay, so there are companies out there that make a piece that will flatten this curve out. Or the other thing that they do is they take it to the dealership, right? And then they flash it. Or I think another brand has a flash that you can go on the computer, and it's kind of it can be time consuming to do that, but this will actually give you your outputs, your audio outputs, and give you an equalizer, in this case a 31 band EQ, and in this case a 15 band EQ. So you're solving basically three problems with this, right? So you have this problem here, okay, the curve, so to flatten the curve out just like this. Then you don't need to use high-level adapters because that's what you would normally have to use, correct?
Yes. Yeah.
So you don't need that because it's going to give you your outputs. And then third of all, it gives you a graphic equalizer. So I think Metra did an awesome job. So if you got a bike, look at this product. Real quick, what's the retail on this, John?
Retail on this one is they're starting at like $5.99.
Okay, and then do we have a price on this yet?
This one, I think that was actually retail on 10 band. The other one's about $100 cheaper. So.
Okay, so oh really? Okay,
yeah.
Cool. And this product is available?
Yes.
Okay, cool.
Is available.
Awesome.
Shipping.
All right, so again, we're here with John at Metra. Thanks for your time, boss.
Thank you.
All right.